Just checked into my Ayana Villas Ocean View Clifftop Villa. I'm in Villa 3025. Come in here at nighttime. But look at this beautiful villa. So it's actually 3 rooms. This is the courtyard. Very private. Absolutely stunning. So this is over 500 square meters. It's actually 3 full rooms. So this is the living room. Look at the detail they put into it. And then you have your separate bedroom, which is just magical. Your TV. So you got the double sink, huge walk-in closet. And then you got the nice sunken bathtub with the vaulted ceilings. Yeah, huge walk-in shower with the rain shower. Toilets over here. Nice sitting area. And then of course, you got this open tub. This is just the bathroom, just one room. Look at how big it is. And you got 3 doors to go outside to the pool. Have your own private pool. Nice king size bed. And you got your own private pool. With your sitting area. Nice ocean down there. Got a nice ocean view. So you can sit in the soaker tub and look out. Absolutely beautiful. So again, this is Ayana Villas in Bali, Indonesia. I have an ocean view clifftop villa, over 500 square meters of space. Absolutely beautiful. So if you'd like to stay here, contact me at natural9luxurytravel@gmail.com or natural9luxurytravel on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Have a great day.